Zero Bros is at Ban Rak Thai. Let's check out the view behind me, man, of the lake. Don't forget to subscribe to Zero Bros channel for our touring trip here in Thailand. Okay, heading down to go see what is Lee Wine Ruk Thai's restaurant. Going down this road. Zoom out a bit. Very nice. Actually, we ride up here just now, but lanterns weren't on, so it's all night time only. Very nice view as we walk down, then head on to the restaurant from here. So this was the reception area just now where we ride in to check in. I believe it's this one. It's right beside, according to what the lady put. Hey, somebody want to play Bumblebee also. Bumblebee got friends. Gonna fly from here. If I'm not wrong, it's this one. Right. Which shouldn't be. Oh yeah.
This one?
This isn't this the one where 8 o'clock close ma.
Oh.
Right, Lee Wine Restaurant, which is just over here. Got a drone. Yeah, it's really gonna fly his drone. Middle of nowhere. You go inside and see first. Take one picture of this thing. Okay, how's this the inside? Very nice lights, man. And I believe the lady showed us to our table again. Oh, this one. It's right at the lake. Beside my dudes. Nice, huh? It's right at the again I'm gonna say river, by the lake. Down here, check out the night lights of Ban Rak Thai. Yeah, there's that one. You can see the boat and eat also. If I'm not wrong lah. Let me see if I can zoom in the darkness. Too far. Yeah. You can even sit down for a boat ride. Alright, I'm going to check out all the food, then see what we eat over here. We've got our menu, if you can understand. Okay lah, there's still in English. All the hot pots, fish. Noodles. What's him call it? Panto. All the veg as well. All sorts of veg. What's this? Mushrooms. More veg. Selection a lot, huh? Crackers and snacks, tofu, porridges, what's this? Rice, and that's all. And then your drinks. Okay, so now some tea. There's this one over here. Oh, yes, thank you. And one more also over here. Oh, that's nice. So you pour. Get one of the teas. Which tea was which tea? There's one.
Know this is oolong.
Okay.
What's this? I think it's green.
Sorry? Dewdrop.
Dewdrop.
Dewdrop tea.
Morning dewdrop.
Morning dewdrop tea. And then this is your oolong tea. So I don't know how it is. Oh, more stuff are coming in.
Yes, in car.
Thank you. Okay, Just test one of the tea and see how is it. Nice. This one should be the oolong tea, right? Left side was oolong tea, right?
Yes, that was oolong. This is the dewdrop.
Then we got our dewdrop tea, which I need to teh tarik to the other side. Then Nips can get one for himself. And cheers from Ban Rak Thai. Yeah, oolong tea is normal. The dewdrop tea, less taste. Okay, that's good. Now got to wait for our food to come. Then get some rice and omelets. And then have our dinner. Then we will chow back to the hotel. Okay, settle. The makans is here. Nasi goreng, telur, and a hell of timons. Got my tea. And then you see the boat ride also come back already. So it's time to enjoy my food, man. See you in a bit.